guys, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing the unboxing of the Euphorbia December bag, and this is how the bag looks like. It's all Christmassy and it's red glitter bag, although I don't like such bags because it's gonna shed a lot of glitters which I don't really like, and it's gonna shed it everywhere. So I'll just unbox it super quick and I'll just show you what all I got. So always you get this card which says all the items which you're gonna get in this bag. So this is how the card looks like, and this one has about 5 products in it. First item that you're gonna see other than lipstick is this clay mask, and this is from AM Greens, 100% natural, and it's a clay face mask, and it has kaolin and saffron instant facial formula. It's made with clay and saffron that will help improve skin texture and also naturally make skin lighter and radiant. This is how the product comes. It's in this Ziploc kind of bag, and do excuse this pretty woman because yeah, she never listens to anyone, so, and you guys like her anyways. Okay, let me see. Okay, so this one does looks like multani mitti from inside. Get a very good amount in this. It says it's 100 gram, and I can clearly see that you can use it for like about 10 to 15 days if you use it regularly. To use this product is, after cleansing the face, apply the pack directly to face and the neck, thin it by adding rose water if required, and allow it to dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse well, and for best results apply chilled face mist toner followed by a moisturizing cream. So yeah, that's what it is, and this one cost about 5.99 rupees. Guys, do excuse my hair's puffiness, it's still wet, so yeah, do excuse that. So yeah, the next product other than the lip shade is this pair of earrings, and it's silver oxidized earrings. Let me show you guys how it looks, and this one cost about 3.99 rupees. Okay, this is how it is. Next 3 products that you're gonna get are these lip shades, and they all are in some of the other shades of red and brown, I would say. Yeah, red or brown, whatever you want to call it. It's all for this winter season. So basically you get 3 shades, and the brand is 7 C's, and these are semi-matte lip shades. So yeah, this is how they look, although you do get a lot of, and I've tried these, although they are very low quality, if you say, because they just get wiped off very easily, but they are good for to get that proper tint or proper hue on your lips. So yeah, for that this is good, although it does settles in the middle of the lip lines, which I don't like, but other than that these are the ones. And the shade number is 612, 612, 613 and 629. These are the shades that I got. I think you'll get the same ones as well. So the total cost of all these products is 1895, that is 1895 rupees, and you're gonna get it in this bag for just 259 rupees if you subscribe for the whole year. But if you do it for just a month, that one's price will be mentioned in the description box, because they all are different. If you subscribe for 1 month, just 1 month, you have to pay a little extra, but then if you pay if you subscribe for 3 months or 6 months or 9 months or 12 months subsequently, then you have to pay less and less and less for every month. So that is quite good if you do like subscription bags. If you want to subscribe to this bag, the link for that will be in the description box as well for you guys to check it out. And also guys, I'm wearing this customized name customized name necklace from Soulfeel, and this is just perfect. You get it for just what, about $25, I guess. That's what it is, and you can customize anything. You can write anything you want. And although I did made a mistake by writing my name, but when I could just do something like breathe or dream or wish, anything, and but you can do that as well if you like your name. And this is what it is, and its link will be in the description box as well if you want to check that out and order for yourself. For today's video, guys, if you like this video, do hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, which is right over here, no, down over there, subscribe button, and press that notification bell button just beside the subscribe button as well, so that you guys don't miss any future videos from me. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.